What's up, everybody? It's your boy Alamo with Bassholes Kayak Fishing. Man, came out to one of my favorite little bass holes, tiny little place I like to go to, and got out here yesterday, didn't have any luck. Fished all night. I got one little itty bitty 6-inch catfish. Got up this morning at 6:30, didn't sleep very well in my hammock. Got out, started fishing. Wind picked up, was kicking my butt. I was about to call it quits, was heading my way back to the boat ramp. I thought, man, I'm gonna throw one more cast. Threw in front of this island, the wind was blowing at it, and bam, the old girl smacked it. 27 inches, my personal best, man. So I got it on video, so stay tuned, check it out.
Wake up before the sun come up. Truck pack, yak in the back, ready to attack. Gotta hit the road cause I gotta go. I'm off to my favorite fishing holes. Bassholes! Tiny little places that I like to go. Bassholes! Kayak fishing show!
Look at that thing. Oh my God. That is probably the biggest fish I have ever caught. Thank you. Oh, dude. Oh, dude. I'm going home after that.